both barrels, baby.
Is that a whistle effect?
Yeah. It's farting.
We have a whistle effect going on that? That's amazing. My buddy Abe is trying to make a beltless jacket board. So that you can play the It'd be fantastic.
You guys want some more fire?
Yeah!
Never enough.
I know we're good things.
Now Archery is farting.
Clear the way!
The only thing with the developers doesn't work are the pieces about the jokes.
Oh, yeah.
That works. Like the whole pretending the doctor that I came up with the last bit.